Just Kelly Bates.
Well, good evening. Welcome back. If you were curious how much work that sun did once we got to it, take a look at our daytime highs. We made it up to 57 downtown. We made it into the 60s in Norwood and into Boston. And of course, our temperatures are on their way down. So across the region, you can tell where we got into the sun here and where we haven't seen it along the south coast. In fact, we've been locked into some patchy, locally dense fog in coastal areas for pretty much the whole day. We do have 57 right now in Providence, 58 as we go towards the interior, towards Smithfield, and then closer to 50 degrees along the coast if you average everybody together. I wanted to point out our dew points, and this is typically a summer feature. You see, when our dew points hit 60, we would say, okay, it's humid out there, and we're fast approaching that. Not only have we brought in the heat from the sun, but a strong southwesterly wind has brought these dew points up, so it is very moist out there. And as our relative humidities are approaching 100% like they are along the south coast, that's what we're realizing in the form of this fog. So yeah, it's a tale of two southern New Englands. We're away from the coast. We actually have sunshine, and it's a pretty nice evening in process. But along the coast, we are locked into those low-level clouds that'll be there. So we do have elevated severe risk today. What this means, when you see this map come up, the severe outlook, it means we have a chance of picking up severe weather. Right now we have what's called a slight risk in effect for most of Rhode Island and basically Connecticut and Western Massachusetts. What this means, it's as pertains to severe weather. And so when you define something as severe weather, it contains these elements: the chance of heavy downpour type rain, gusty winds, gusty damaging winds, the potential of hail, frequent lightning, and yes, there is even a low chance of picking up a tornado. Basically, the chance is there, but it's so small, but it's there, so I can't take it out of your forecast. That's why it's there. So our number one and number two threats are damaging winds and the potential for hail. The problem with damaging winds is that we have the potential of bringing the power out. So power outages are definitely possible with the progress of our storm system. It's not here now. Again, it is a delightful evening in progress here in downtown, but we do have this swirling front. It's a cold front, and it's a strong one. It is related to the one that caused all that damage through the south. Now, as it moves into this warm, moist environment that we've been curating with the sunshine and the rising humidity, it just primes everything for the chance of setting off showers and thunderstorms. By the time the heart of that front gets here, it will likely be in the window of time between 8 and 10 p.m. And at that time, we have the chance again of seeing severe weather, being that the damaging gusty winds, the potential for hail. You remember that graphic a little while ago? Anyway, as we go to tomorrow, we're looking at a much better day. High pressure moves in to take charge, provides us with sunshine and clear skies as we go to the nighttime hours as well. But it comes with a little bit of a catch. You see, after this storm system passes, it is going to make some wind. So that will be in place for your Sunday. So not only will it be bright and sunny, it is going to be breezy at times, and we could see wind gusts top 30 miles per hour. Not only that, but temperatures are slated to be much cooler as well. After all, this is a cold front coming through tonight. So we're going to be clearing pre-dawn just before the sun comes up, and we will see sun through most of the day. But again, we have to get through tonight to get there, and temperatures will be dropping into the lower 40s, upper 30s north and west of the city. Showers and thunderstorms will be developing after 8 p.m. So if you have early evening plans, things are going to be just fine. For tomorrow, we are looking at sunshine, windy conditions, definitely cooler as temperatures will be in the 40s. Step out so you can take a look at your extended forecast. And it does show temperatures that will be in the 60s by the time we get to Tuesday. I mean, it is that weird, funky time of year where temperatures can zoom on a whim. And we're going to do the 60s not once, but possibly twice, thanks to a warm front coming through Wednesday. Thursday, we could be topping out at 67 degrees.
Yeah, we were talking about this last weekend. It's just the weather's been a roller coaster.
Yeah, and spring tends to do that. These transitional seasons, spring and fall,
right,
they tend to be kind of all over the place. It's fun. It's challenging.
And you know what they say, now that it's April 1st, April showers bring May flowers.
Yes.
So get those gardens